So Angel and I both worked at WVBC, the college radio station in Bethany, and oftentimes we would go in together to do our shift. We enjoyed each other's company and we enjoyed the music, so that seemed logical, and we did it as often as we could. And one of the songs that we both really, really liked was Riverside's General Nature. And, sort of a small band, relatively unheard of. I think it was their first album, so... Anyway, later, Angel and Dave and I had scored tickets to see the Judy Bats playing in Pittsburgh. And so we drove up, we all liked them and we were excited, it was going to be a great concert. And because we didn't know, we just knew that the Judy Bats were playing. We didn't know who was going to open for them or anything. And when the man came out on stage to introduce everything, he was like, "Oh, it's going to be a really good show. We've got the Judy Bats here." And we were like, "Yay, Judy Bats!" Sitting up in the balcony, hanging over. And he said, and opening up for him, we've got Riverside. And, of course, we hadn't known that Riverside was going to be the opening. And Angel and I, both at the same time, we went, "Riverside!" Because, it was a surprise to us. And apparently the two of us had said it so loud that everybody in the audience heard it. And the guy up on stage looked up at us and he was like, "Yeah, Riverside." So, yeah, I figured General Nature would be perfect for any playlist made for Angel.